Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. A very warm welcome to all of you in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, for liking, sharing, and subscribing it, for giving lots of love to the channel. And for those who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you, my lovely Aquarius. So please check your sunshine, moonshine, Venus sign, and I hope I help you out in some manner. But this is the general reading for Aquarius for February 2021. So I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. A very happy birthday to the Aquarius, and let me know in the comment section if you are having your birthday so that I can wish you personally. So let's see what are the messages for you, lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the important messages for you for the February 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages for my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world, which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. Give me that messages. So let's see what are the messages for you for the month of February. I'm going to use this like that so that you can also see what are these cards. I think this is not visible. Okay, let me remove it. The Seas of Mintaka, seeing potential, bringing unconsciousness to the light. Empathic Starseed, absorbing what not yours. Then Cosmic Heart, devotion, potential, your life. Make your life a moving prayer. Lost land, soul memories, and gift. You have done this before, Aquarius. As you know that you are the age of light, okay? You are here with your soul mission, and these you're thinking just you had just forget those memories, but you have done this before, okay, Aquarius? You have a potential. Make your life a moving prayer, okay, as you are bringing unconsciousness to the light. Let me see any other message for Aquarius, then I will let you know. Star Brothers, protection, loyalty, safety and trust. Star Keeper, cosmic ancestor, seed the light by staying grounded. Bottom of the deck I am having called soul gifts and training. It's time to set up, Aquarius. As you know that your ascension period is going on, you're getting transformed, okay, you're getting awakening. So they are soul gifts which the divine is giving you, okay? There are soul gifts, there is a soul training which you are having right now. It's just time to step up. Can you see how this door is opening up and this girl is going towards this door? So you just need to get ready for your, because you're getting training for this for long period of time. Let me adjust myself first because it's not comfortable. Okay, so yeah, now it's comfortable. Okay, so yeah, these are the messages. Let me show you what are these. You need to protect yourself. Use your soul gifts which you are having, as you are the golden children of the divine, okay? You are the golden children of the divine. You have the innocence, you have that rare gifts which you even which before you did not know, but now you know it, okay? And all paths leads to whom? That's the last message for you. That is in authority, inner authority, intuition. Turn your gaze within, okay? So use your intuition, Aquarius. You have a rare gifts. Can you see here? You are the golden children of the divine, okay? You have a rare gifts. as you are an old soul which are here on this planet earth to help the humanity, to bring peace, love, okay, to raise the vibration and frequencies of planet earth. Okay, so you are having a soul training for this. Okay, you have a soul gifts which are very rare. So you are the golden children from the divine, and all paths leads to the home. Right now you just you have lost that memory that you are having. Before, you were lost that memory that you are having these gifts, but now you know that you, because your soul has that memories, your soul has that gifts, because you have done this before. I think it is visible to you or not, I do not know that. Okay, now it's visible. Okay, so your soul knows that, your soul has that memories, your soul has that gifts, as you have done this before also. Okay, so just you need to get ready for these gifts. Okay, there are star brothers which are there to protect your energy. They are here to bring you safety, loyalty, and the trust, because you are the star keeper Aquarius. They are cosmic ancestors. Seed the light by staying grounded. So you need to stay grounded. Okay, there are people around you. Okay, divine is protecting you. You do not have to worry at all, as you're bringing unconsciousness to the light. 1 minute, why this is not, there is no light here. Yeah, now it's better. Okay, just remember one more thing, because this message has come again for you, that Aquarius, you are absorbing what not yours. Okay, there is something around you which is not for you, and you are absorbing that energy. So leave that energy. You know better than me. Okay, you have a cosmic heart. Just need to be devoted. Make your life a make your life a moving prayer. Okay, and do not absorb what is not yours. So there is something which you do not have to absorb. So just leave that part. Your soul has that memories and gifts. So you have done this before also in many lifetimes. Okay, you are here because you have to protect, you have to uh, peace, you have to bring peace, harmony, love, to raise the frequencies and vibrations of planet earth. Okay, to spread more human, to help humans. So just you need to work on that thing. You are the star keeper Aquarius. You are the golden children of the divine. Okay, you are having a rare gifts, and you know that. And all whatever you are doing, okay, all paths leads to you to home. So just use your inner authority, intuition. Turn your gaze within yourself, within your soul, and your soul will guide you properly, because your soul has that memories of what you have done. See, get grounded. Aquarius, you need to get grounded. So thank you so much, Starseed Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Work Your Oracle. Dance with life and answer the call. Do something to change your energy, Aquarius. Okay, you can do dance. If you like to do dance, you can dance, you can sing, you can play games, you can do walking, you can do cooking, you can do anything, you can do painting, whatever you can change, whatever you can do. Okay, do it, because you need to change your energy. Dance with life. Okay, take a easy piece. What does that synopsis is? Take a chill pill. Okay, take a chill pill, Aquarius. Take the life with the dancing way. See, just I can give you my example. I love dancing. So in my free time, I used to dance like for half an hour, for 1 hour, for 2 hour, for 3 hour. I used to dance daily. So you need to change your energy by doing dancing, by singing, cooking, whatever you like. You know better what you can do to change your energy. And there is answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? So beautiful messages from this deck. Okay, you need to change your energy, do something to change your energy. 1001 was the recording reading time, and there is something in which your soul is trying to you to tell something. Okay, just you need to answer that. What is your soul calling you to do? Work on that, Aquarius. Okay, Council of Light, Divine Orchestrations, helpers in the subtitle realms. Beautiful and very powerful message. You are not alone. Can you see how the divine, how the higher sub realms are with you? Okay, they are trying to tell you something. Just you need to answer that call. Answer your soul calling. I just did your before reading 2 days before or 3 days before. In that also the message was that answer your soul calling, and this is a specific message for someone who is not listening their soul calling. Okay, your soul is trying to say something. Okay, your soul calling is happening right now, so answer that soul calling. Then there is Star Mother. I told you, you right now you are like a baby, okay, a newborn baby. So take care of yourself like your mother used to do. How can you mother yourself? So take care of yourself, okay, like a small baby, like we used to take care of a small baby. So take care of yourself like you are a small baby. Pamper yourself, okay, take rest. That's the thing. See, again this message has come. Get grounded, Aquarius. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm having boundaries. You need to establish healthy boundaries around yourself, and you need to set up healthy boundaries and get grounded, because you are right now very highly sensitive. So connect with the nature. See, mother yourself, get grounded, and set up healthy boundaries around yourself. And you need to connect with the nature. Okay, so connect with the nature so that you can get your energy grounded. Then there is pillar of light. Your vibration is rising and you are the oracle, my lovely Aquarius. Okay, you are the oracle. Let's see beautiful messages for you. Break the chain, ancestral patterns, healing, rewriting the future. Okay, so this is the message for those Aquarius. You need to break your ancestral karmas or the patterns, and you have to rewrite your future. You have to do your healing. Okay, so you, because you are the pillar of light, okay, your vibration is rising. You just need to break the chain. You need to break the ancestral patterns which are following from your, from generation to generation, from ancestors to ancestors. You know better, so you just need to break that ancestral pattern. You need to rewrite your future and do your healing. Okay, because why I'm telling you why you need to break the chain, because you are the age of light. You have been training for this for the lifetime. Very beautiful message. I told you, you are here to spread light, peace, harmony on this planet earth. Okay, so you are giving, you are getting the training for this for the many lifetimes. Divine is giving you this training. Can you see? They are helping you in the higher realms. Higher realms are the helpers of you. Okay, helpers in the subtle realms. Divine are with you because they want you to spread the light. You are the light, Aquarius. Okay, and you have been getting training for this lifetimes. Then the next card for you is the warrior woman. Have you answered your deepest calling, Aquarius? Again, this message is there. So you have to answer your deepest calling. You are the warrior woman. You are the light. You the light, you the night. So know yourself, Aquarius. I do not know why I sing this song. Okay, so you have to know yourself. You are the warrior woman. You have to answer your deepest calling. There is a calling which is happening for you. See, the Answer the call. You are the warrior woman. Your soul is trying to tell you something. You just need to answer that deepest calling. What is that deepest calling is trying to tell you? Then there is Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation and divine plan. Okay, so this is the divine plan. You are moving towards your divine plan, and Anna, the grandmother of Jesus, is with you are not alone at all. Okay, she is seeding the light, she is laying the foundation, and she has a divine plan. You have a divine plan. Beautiful messages for you. Thank you so much, Work Your Light Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. So today I got a beautiful deck from Amazon, and that is Archangel Power Tarot decks. So let's see what are the messages from the tarot cards. Let's add 5 messages from the tarot cards from this deck. This is a new deck, and let's see what are the messages for Aquarius, February 2021. I get 3 cards for you already. 9 of Ariel, 8 of Michael, and 8 of Revel. Okay, that means 9 of Pentacle. This is 9 of Pentacle. Okay, and this is 8 of Michael, yani that means 8 of Swords. 8 of Swords. Okay, then there is 8 of Raffle, 8 of Cups. 1 3 2 more cards. Let me see. Give me please 2 more cards for Aquarius. King of Cups, King of Raffle. Okay, King of Cups. 1 more. Please give me 1 more message for Aquarius. See, while doing your meditation also, in every deck I got Chariot. So you are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. You are not stopping at all. And I got it. I got 1 2 3 4. Okay, 6 of Gabriel. That means success, recognition, victory. Okay. There is 4 of Gabriel. Wow. 4 of Wands. The Lovers. And Queen of Raffle. Wow. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Here I am having the power couple for you, Aquarius. There is someone from your past who is your divine counterpart here. Can you see? The Lovers, the 4 of Wands, the 6 of Wands, and the King of Cups. Okay, let me get you the message for you. Okay, this is not the love reading, but this is the general reading for you. Okay, so let me tell you that what is that. So this is 9 of Ariel. You are right now rising as you are very, very single, very abundant. You enjoying your life. Now you know that you are single, abundant, and happy in your own way. Your dreams are fulfilling. Your hard work are getting, leads to a great success, a love for the beautiful things in your life. You're loving everything. You are enjoying your life basically, and you know that you deserve best. That is you are rising as a 9 of Ariel, 9 of Pentacle. Okay, but there is someone around you, Aquarius, who is feeling restricted, who was there in the past, okay, who left you out in the cold. Okay, so yeah, there was someone around you. Okay, in the past there was someone around you who left you out in the cold. Okay, but now they are feeling restricted. Now they are feeling restricted, and they can be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, because here I am having water element in their chart. That can be a possibility, but I never mention signs in my readings. because there are all signs here, okay, but lot of water energy is here in this deck. Can you see, you and them both are you know destined for each and other. Basically, you are made for each other. This can be your twin flame, this can be your soulmate, whatever you can call, life partner, soulmate. But they are feeling right now very restricted, very, they can't be able to move in a forward direction. Can you see how these two energies are? You are enjoying your life, you are free, now you know your worth. You are someone who is, now you know that you are single, happy, abundant, enjoying your day-to-day routine and all. But they are feeling very restricted, very stuck. Okay, this is eight of swords. But they can be free, okay. They need to make a courageous choice to change their situation. But right now they cannot see things clearly, okay. There is someone around you who just walk away in search of nine of cups, okay, because they were like, there is something better waiting for them, okay. And they walk away from you. Basically, they walk away from you, leaving you behind in cold, okay. This is your divine counterpart, the king of cups. This is someone who is very full of creative passion, who is very warm, very generous, very honorable, very refined, who is full of emotions, emotionally stable person. But this person is now getting success in getting out of this, restricted energy, stuck energy. Now they are not stuck and they're coming towards you. Now they are getting the clarity, basically, okay. Before they were not able to see the things clearly, but now they can see things clearly. And they have done a wonderful job, okay. This is the time to move on their next projects. This is the time of awards, scholarships, or promotion. This is the time of success, recognition, victory, because now they are recognizing that you are the one with whom they have to spend their life, okay. You are the love of their life. You are the one who is there for you, okay. You are the divine counterpart for them, okay. That they are knowing that Four of Wands, time for celebration, abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situations. And there is the Lovers. Make choices from your heart, deeply emotional commitments, the power of love. Beautiful. And they are now having the clarity, okay. Queen of Raffle is here. So this is someone who is, this is you, Aquarius. You are full of intuitions, okay. You are someone who is very kind, understanding, giving, psychic, okay. You just follow your heart. You have a love of home and family. You are someone who is very trustworthy, psychic. You are having a information, trustworthy information. So that is you. But you both are moving in a forward direction. Can you see? Now there is no stuck energy. That's the message I'm getting from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some color. Let's see what is the message from the colors for Aquarius. Give me one more color. Okay, I got 3. Nourish chocolate is the first color for you. Nourish your body and soul. So you can eat chocolate, okay. You can wear this chocolate color because you need to nourish your body and soul, okay. Then there is orange. Nurture yourself. Nurture and nourish yourself. So you can wear orange, you can eat orange, and you can eat chocolates too. Then there is purple. Develop mental clarity, okay. See, I told you there was an energy of restrictions and restricted. But now if you are still feeling stuck in some situation, this can be message for cross watcher. So if any cross watcher is here and they can wear purple, they can use purple so that they can develop mental clarity, okay. So these 3 are the message. These 3 are the colors for you: chocolate, orange, and the purple. That will help you out. Thank you so much, colors, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from Scared Traveler Oracle deck. Okay, Scared Traveler Oracle deck. Let's see what are the messages. Let's see two more cards, two more message. One more. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages. Okay. So the first card for you is vast vistas. You need to expand your horizons, Aquarius, and you can overcome anything. Okay, you can overcome any obstacles. You just need to expand. You just need to expand your horizons. Okay, so expand your horizons and you can overcome any obstacles. And there is impasse. Reflect and redirect your energy. Okay, reflect, and you need to reflect and redirect your energy so that you can overcome any obstacles if you are having any obstacle in your life right now. Okay, then there is valiant courage. You have a too much courage and strength inside of you. You just need to take action with the passion. Okay, just need to open your heart to joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. Okay, take action with your passion and begin now. Take your first step, Aquarius. You need to take your first step. Take your first step. Beautiful things are waiting for you. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add 5 cards from Unicorn. Unicorn cards. Okay, and I'm going to close out your reading then. What are the messages? Okay, I already got it. I already got 5 cards in one. You are doing some kind of manifestation, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having manifestation. Okay, there's the first card for you is the Christ. The Christ. Open the door to the kingdom of the heaven. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive. Okay, and in this card also it was that you need to open your heart so that you can enjoy. Prosperity and abundance is waiting for you, Aquarius. You just need to open up so that you can receive. If you are not open to receive, how will you receive your prosperity and abundance? So you need to open up. Then there is Queen of the Unicorns. You are blessed with love, compassion and wisdom. Okay. There is a service. Service with an open heart is a key of satisfaction. So maybe you need to give a service to someone who is requiring a help or service around you, Aquarius. So give them service with an open heart. Okay, help them out if you can help in any manner to anyone else. Okay, around you. Then there is birth. Be receptive to a new idea, child, a solution. See, you need you need to begin now, because there are new ideas, there are new situations which they are taking place around you. So you need to be receptive to a new idea, child, or a situation. So these are the messages from the Unicorn. Thank you so much, Unicorn, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So this was your general love, not general love, this was your general reading for February 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Take care of yourself, my beautiful magical beings. Sending you lots of love and light to every Aquarius all over the world. Take care of yourself. Okay, see you soon.